Hi guys, welcome to another video. So this is a super exciting parcel. What do you think this could be? Ooh, yes. This is a parcel from Red Iguana. As you can see, with all these beautiful heart sequins everywhere. Ah, look at the key ring. That's pretty, I like it. Now the owner of a Red Iguana practice hand. Time to celebrate, and then after, scan this QR code to take you straight to our 3.0 practice hand tutorials. That's cool. So I've also got some other little bits as well as a new hand. We've got, I really wanted to try their Acrygel. So I've got the milky white, we've got the light nude, and we've also got the light pink to try. And we've also got their matte top coat. Now, most of you guys know I am a matte nail girl, so obviously I'm going to want to try their matte top coat. Right, let me just get rid of all these cute sequins. Oh, look at the Red Iguana one. Oh, I love that. How cute is that? These are literally everywhere. So, we'll have a look at the hand in a sec. I just want to quickly take a look at these. Right, let's have a look at these first. So, you've got the Red Iguana website there. I'm just going to get these all unpacked quickly, and then we'll take a quick look at these, and then we'll check out the new hand. Look at their packaging, guys. It's even got the marble on the top and the roses on the side. The packaging is beautiful. So this is the matte top coat. It's a no wipe top coat. You get 15ml in your glass bottles. Tells you on the top that it's the Red Iguana matte top coat. You got directions on the back. Cure in 1 minute in an LED and 2 minutes in a UV. You got your ingredients on the back as well. Can you see that? Can't wait to try their matte top coat. Then we've got the Red Iguana Acrygel. This is colour light nude. Look at the pots, guys. How beautiful are those? Really beautiful. You got your ingredients on the back. So these are 5-gram pots. These are like little tester pots. I just wanted to see what they was like, to be honest, because they look really nice to use. So you got your foil seal inside. Ooh, that looks like a nice colour. Look at that. That's like my perfect nail bed colour. I like it. Definitely going to be using this on my nails next. Then we've got light pink, which is that. Again, a really nice cover colour. I love these pots. They're beautiful. And then we've got milky white. Ooh, that looks like a nice white. Yeah, I do like milky whites. That's pretty, isn't it? Yes. So, yeah, we're going to give these a try. I'm not going to swatch them today because you can see the colours in the pot. But I will be using these on my nails very, very soon. So, we'll get to take a look at what they apply like then. Because they're only little 5-gram pots, I don't really want to be swatching them. It's a bit of a waste of a product. So, especially when I'm going to be using them soon anyway. And if I do get on with these, then I shall definitely be buying a couple of bigger pots of these. So that is the products. Who's ready to see the practice hand? Beautiful, beautiful packaging, isn't it? Get the ribbon, all branded. I'm keeping that. So 100% premium quality silicone training models, proudly handmade in California, USA. Exact replica of Red Iguana founder April Ryan's hands and feet, made and packaged with love. Look at that packaging, guys. Beautiful. 2021 Reader's Choice Nail Pro winner. Here we go. Thank you for choosing Red Iguana. We appreciate your support and can't wait to see your creations. Again, you've got the Red Iguana website there. Look at the back. It's beautiful. Oh, got one of these rings as well. Look how sparkly that is. Super, super sparkly. Right, let's take a look at her, shall we? So this is the 3.0 new Red Iguana hand. It's a half hand. Even the tissue that she's wrapped in is beautiful. Ooh, look at her. So this is the one with makeup. As you can see, she's got all makeup on the knuckles, makeup around the cuticles. All the cuticles have been upgraded as well, because I do remember on their original hands the cuticles were quite rough looking, but as you can see they've upgraded all the cuticles so they're all nice and neat. Oh, she's so pretty. On the back you get 2 magnets, and you can buy the magnetic stand, and it just sits on the magnetic stand, which is amazing. Because say if you're using gel, hard gel, builder gel, and you want to flip the hand upside down, you haven't got to hold it, wait to then put it in the lamp. You can literally spin it and it just holds it there, and you can crack on doing whatever you're doing. Now, I am going to say I'm not a massive fan of the colour, if I'm being honest, but there was only 3 colours left. I got this in a really good sale, and there was the lightest colour left and the darkest colour left, and then this one, which was the second from lightest, which I kind of wish I'd have waited for the next darker shade up. That was the one that I really wanted. I am so impatient, so yeah, it's kind of my own fault that I'm not happy with the colour. And not that I'm not happy with the colour, but I would have preferred it a shade darker, to be honest. But she still looks super realistic. Look at all the knuckles, the wrinkles in the fingers. So this one's posable, so you can bend the fingers and it will stay posed. So if you want to, say, pose like that, you can do. I very rarely pose mine, to be honest, but I'm just not keen on the flexible ones. I much prefer the posable. Especially when I'm using foils as well. I like to be able to pull the other fingers out the way so they don't get in the way. But yeah. Yeah, I like her. She's beautiful. So I didn't buy the magnetic stand, guys, because I have already got the Aleana one. And I just thought it's completely pointless having 2. And that just goes on there like that. There we go. She's ready to work on. Probably have that down a little bit. Like that. And that is ready for me to work on. Buzzing. I could not be without a magnetic stand now, guys. And they are really, really strong as well. So like I was saying, if you want to turn the hand upside down before you pop it in the lamp, all you've got to do is spin it. And that'll hold it there, and your hands are free to do with whatever you need to do with them. Right, let's get some tips in now, see what she looks like. So these are the kind of tips that I like to use, and these act as a natural nail bed. So you slide them in the cuticle wells, push them in like that. So that's all prepped, ready to go now. Now, depending on what kind of a video I'm doing, if I'm doing a nail extension video, i.e. polygel or acrylic or builder gel, I would then go in with a free edge tip like this, and I would glue that to the tip like that, and then I would go in and apply whatever I'm applying. If I'm doing a gel polish design, I tend to use full cover tips rather than building out a set. So if I'm doing a gel polish design, I would go in with a full cover tip like this, and I would just slide that in the cuticle well, and that's already set up to go for a gel polish design. That fits really nice and snug. So yeah, that is how I set up my practice hand, guys. They're really easy to maintain. Once I've done a design, I pull the nails out, take any jewellery off what she's got on, and I just give her a wash in warm soapy water. And then if you've got any towels that don't leave any fluff, you can give her a dry, but if you haven't, just leave her on the side and leave her to dry. Just try not to get any water on the magnets though, guys, because they will go rusty. So try to keep any water off the magnets. But yeah, really easy to maintain. I like her, and she's going to be so nice to work on. As much as I love my Aleana Hand, I do not like working on her. She's not nice to work on at all. You see these sidewalls here? On the Aleana Hand, these sidewalls come over the tip. So you kind of slide your tip into the sidewalls. So when you're wanting to paint down these sides here, it's really hard to get right down the edge of your tips. So I wanted this one to work on, and I shall still use my Aleana Hand for pictures. I'm just hoping that they take the same tips. So I'm hoping that I can work on this and then put the nails in my Aleana Hand to take my pictures. But they look very similar size nail beds, so I hope so. The silicone feels really durable as well. Like, I don't feel like I would be nervous filing on it. Probably wouldn't want to put an e-file near it, especially with me still learning with the e-file, but I wouldn't mind going in with my hand file. I wouldn't feel worried about catching it with my hand file at all. It feels really durable. Oh, this glitter is getting on my nerves already. So yeah, that's everything, guys. So we've got the half 3.0 hand. I don't think I've told you either, have I? The colour of this one is April. So it's a left hand posable and it's in colour April. If I get on alright working on it, then I will probably go for a shade darker, if not 2 shades darker. I quite like the one that's 2 shades darker as well. But yeah, I like her. We'll see how I get on with working on her. I shall be working on her over the next couple of days anyway, so we'll see how that goes. So yeah, that's everything, guys. So we've got the half hand in the colour April. We've got the milky white Acrygel. We've got the light pink Acrygel, and we've got the light nude Acrygel, and we have got the matte no wipe top coat. Dying to try this, see what this is like. So I really hope you enjoyed this one, guys. If you did, please remember to give it a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, please consider subscribing, especially if you want to see what she's like to work on. Hit that subscribe button and you'll see me working on her. And I hope to see you in the next video. Take care. Bye.